I went to market, but I did not buy anything. I prepared breakfast, but I did not eat it. I shaved my face, but I did not apply any cream. I took a bath, but I did not apply shampoo on my hair. I prepared pizza, but I did not eat it. I watched TV, but I did not uh, watch news. I cleaned my house, but I did not mop.
The floor.
I attended my class, but uh, I did not do practice it.
I did not practice it.
I did not practice it. And
ओके, लेट मी डू इट फॉर यू। थोड़ी स्पीड हमें बढ़ानी पड़ेगी। थोड़ी घर में जब आप प्रैक्टिस करेंगे थोड़ी स्पीड बढ़ाएंगे। आई रेड द न्यूज पेपर बट आई डिड नॉट रीड एनीथिंग अबाउट द शेयर मार्केट। आई बॉट द टमेटोज बट आई डिड नॉट यूज इट। आई बॉट a new phone but I did not enjoy it. I bought rasgullas but I did not eat it. I went to the cinema hall but I did not enjoy the movie. I ordered a dosa but I did not eat it. I saw a movie, but I did not like it. I met Abhishek sir, but I did not meet his wife. I understood the class, but I did not practice it. ऐसे हमें मतलब थोड़ा थोड़ा स्पीड बढ़ानी है। अब हमारा फोकस किस बात पर है? स्पीड बढ़ाने पर। करेक्शन तो आ गया। correction आ गया। You are already able to understand the concept and you are already speaking correct English. So what you need is just to increase the speed ताकि हमारे दिमाग की स्पीड बढ़ जाए सोचने की। तो वो फटाफट 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 आई ड्रॉप द कार बट आई डिड नॉट गो एनीवेयर। ये बिना मतलब की प्रैक्टिस। बिना मतलब की प्रैक्टिस। अब देखो ना, आई ड्रोव द कार बट आई डिड नॉट गो एनीवेयर। अरे तो कार कहाँ चलाई फिर? राइट। I danced in the party, but my wife did not like it. My wife gave me a gift, but I did not celebrate my birthday. I went to my sister's house, but I did not carry anything. I हाँ, मतलब कुछ भी कॉन्ट्रास्ट बना करके इस तरीके से दिमाग को बोलने की आदत हो जाएगी और फिर हमारी इससे अच्छी प्रैक्टिस हो जाएगी। ओके,
ठीक है सर।